Hello everyone, welcome to the series of welcome to the Arduino series. So in the last lecture we have seen a project which is based on the raindrop sensor automatic rain detector. In this class we are going to learn about a new sensor which is gas sensor. So as you know, like there are multiple kind of gas sensors available in the market, right? Some gas sensors are used to detect the air quality, some gas sensors are used to present the gas to detect the gases which is present in the airs, right? So there are multiple kind of gas sensors are there, and which is very helpful for our day-to-day life, right? So today we are going to learn about the MQ135 air quality sensors, right? We call this MQ135 sensor as a air quality sensors also because the main function of this sensor is to detect the air quality, right? Let's understand. So as I told you, like as you know, like air quality sensor measures various parameter in there, such as like particulate matters, gases, what kind of gases available present in the air, and humidity levels. So there are multiple things are there that will detect. But here with this MQ135, let's see what kind of components we are going to detect, right? So basically these sensors are very helpful when you want to check the quality of the airs, right? It means if you want to check if the air is fresh enough to breathe or not, right? In that case we'll use this one. So for this project we are going to use Arduino Mega board and the MQ135 sensors modules, right? So you can use this sensor as a digital as well as an analog sensors also, right? I'll tell you how, but here our main purpose is to check to use this sensor as an analog sensors. So these sensors basically sensitive to SNO3, SNO2, which will lower conductivity in clean airs. So basically the sensor's conductivity is more higher along with the gas concentrations rising because it will detect more impurities when the gas concentrations is present in the air. And the primary use of MQ135 gas sensor is it will detect the ammonia, sulfide, and benzene streams, right? And also sensitive to smoke and other harmful gases. Let's understand. So, working all of you know, like the MQ135 gas sensor senses the gases like ammonia, nitrogen, oxygen, alcohols, aromatic compounds, sulfide, and smoke, right? So let's understand. So here you can see there are three pins in there in the gas sensors, like two, one, because this is a module. So first you need to power up with VCC and ground, and then there is an analog pin that you can connect to any analog pin of Arduino Mega board, right? So let's understand the working of this gas sensors. The code is pretty similar to the one which we wrote in the like second series, where we have read the value from the soil moisture sensor, the raindrop sensor. So here I'm going to declare a variable. So let's give the name of this variable is here I'm just giving the name of this variable is gas sensors. You can give any name, right? Because it's a user defined. Suppose it is connected to a node pin of Arduino Mega. After this I'll just create a set of functions, right? And here I'll just describe or initialize this gas sensor is a input or output sensors. So I hope I already explained you all the sensors are the input device, right? So here I'll write input, and as we know, like we need to first check the value of this gas sensor on the serial monitor. So we need to initialize serial monitor also by calling the begin method and just pass down the baud rate 9600. Here you need to care of the baud rate. I'll tell you here I am passing 9600, which is the baud rate of Arduino Uno. But if you are writing for Arduino Mega, it was my mistake. You have to write on 115200. You can try with this one. First, I'm telling you try with this 9600 and just check either your value is coming on the baud rate or not. If it is not coming, then you can change this value to 115200. Now here I'm taking wide loop. Here I'll read the value of the sensor. So I'll write int. Just take the value. Name of variable is value equal to. Again here I'll call analog read. And this analog read value will read the sensor from the gas sensor. And on the top we have declared the name of sensor is gas sensor. So you have to write down the same name over here. And to print the value on the serial monitor, you need to call print ln to print the value line wise. And here I'll just write down the name of variable which is value. right? So in this way, we can see the value of this MQ135 gas sensor on the serial monitor. And this is just a basic how you can interface. Now you can, if you want to, like suppose if you're using this gas sensor at your surroundings, and you want to check either the quality of air is good enough or not. So what you can do, you can use one buzzer also to indicate the threshold value. Suppose if the value of the air goes to the up to the threshold value, you can indicate some buzzers to like produce indicate ki, like right now the outside like quality is not good enough, right? So in this way you can use multiple applications with the help of these gas sensors. So this is all from this class. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much everyone.